Hello student, today we are going to start the next chapter, chapter number 6, angles and circles. Okay, so all of you open your book, look at the page number 128. Angles. Do you know something about the angles? It is new for you, so listen carefully. Okay, angles. First, in the previous video I explained to you about the ray. What is the ray? It is the symbol of ray. And what is the characteristics of the ray? Ray has the one end point. It has no fixed length. And when the two rays meet at a single point, when the two rays are meet at a single point to form a vertex, and this vertex is called the angle. Okay. So which two rays? OA. One ray is OA, another one ray is OB. This is known, OA is known as the ray. Another name of the ray is arm. Okay, and another which one ray? OB. OB is also ray, and other name is arm. So we can say when the two arms are meet at the same point is formed an angle. Okay. So what is the definition of the angle? When the two arms or two rays are meet at the same point to form an angle. Okay. When the two arms, which two arms? OA and OB, they are the arms. In other words, we can say rays. OA and OB, when the two rays are meet at the same point and formed an angle. That is the definition of the angle. Okay, it is, this vertex is known as the angle. Now naming of an angle. Okay, I explained this about the angle by using other diagram. Suppose another one ray is PQ. Okay, that is a one ray. One more ray start from this point, PR. How many rays in that? Two rays, PQ and PR, and both rays are start from the same point. So this point is known as the vertex, and this vertex is, other name of this vertex is angle. So when the two arms are meet at the same point to form an angle, यहाँ पर जो ये vertex बन रहा है, that vertex is known as an angle. Okay. So which two arms? PQ one ray, another one ray PR, and also we can say arm. When the two arms are meet at the same point is known as vertex. That is a vertex, formed an vertex, and this vertex is known as an angle. Okay. Okay, so now look at the page number 128, get started. First question, extend the rays so that they meet each other at a point, name the point. Get started. A1, two rays, one ray is from going in this direction, another one ray going in this direction, and what is saying? Extend the rays in that direction and this direction. So they both rays are meet at this point. Okay, so that is a vertex. Next one is the one ray is going in that direction, another one ray is going in that direction. When we extend this rays, so meet at that point. Okay. Next one ray downwards, another one ray in horizontal way in that. So extend this ray, so meet at that point. Like that you have to extend the rays. Now question number B, draw two rays in any direction from the given points. From the given points. Question number B, draw the two rays in any direction from the given points. one point is given there. We can draw the rays in any direction. How many rays we have to draw? 2 rays we have to draw. One ray is going upwards, another one ray going in the horizontal direction in that. Okay, next one is in the another direction. One ray is going in that direction, another one ray in that direction. Now third one is in that direction, another one ray in that direction. Okay, means what is saying in that question? Draw the 2 rays in any direction from the given points. Points से आपको किसी भी 2 डायरेक्शन में रेज को ड्रॉ करना है. Is that clear to you? Okay. So now move on the next point, naming and angles. How we can denote angles, means how we can naming and angles. Naming and angles. Suppose and what is the symbol of the angle? Suppose 2 rays, one ray is going in that direction, OA, another one OB. Okay, and that is a vertex. What is the vertex? O. How many rays are there? OA, OB, and 2 rays are met at the same point. That is the same point, means the common point for the both rays, and both rays are starting from this point. So this point, when the 2 rays are met at the same point, that is a vertex to form an angle. Yes, now how we can naming and angles. So what is the angle of this? That is a symbol for the angle. Symbol for an angle. That is the symbol. Okay, it is a symbol for an angle. Yes, so what is the angle in that? Angle AOB. How we can write? First we have to show the symbol of the angle, then AOB. Is that clear? AOB. Vertex always should be in the middle. It's compulsory for you. Keep in your mind, when we naming an angles, vertex always should be in the middle. Which vertex? That is a vertex. Okay, vertex O. Suppose the another angle is BCD. So what is the vertex in that? C. C is the vertex. So how we can naming this angle? First we make the symbol of angle. Now BCD, or in other way angle DCB. DCB. So what is the important in that? Vertex should be in the middle. In both case, look here carefully. In both case, vertex in the middle, means we can name of an angle BCD, or in other way DCB. But vertex should be in the middle. It's most important point. Keep in your mind. Vertex always should be in the middle while naming an angle. Another some example. Suppose some other angles. PQR. Then other angle ABC. Then it is a middle point. Angle AOC. Okay, so how we can naming an angles? First we make the symbol of angle PQR. Angle PQR, or angle RQP. Okay, in this angle, first make the symbol of angle. It is compulsory to show the symbol of the angle. Show the symbol of angle ABC, ABC, or angle CBA, CBA. we can write in any way but vertex should be in the middle. ओके हम ए बी सी लिख सकते हैं या फिर सी बी ए लिख सकते हैं, बट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज वर्टेक्स शुड बी इन द मिडल. इन थर्ड एंगल, सिंबल ऑफ द एंगल ए ओ सी और एंगल सी ओ ए. ओके, so have you clear how to naming an angle? Okay, so now move on the page number 129, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. What is given in that question? Name the angles. What we have to do? Name the angles. Exercise 6.1, page number 129. Yes, some angles are drawn. Already some angles are showing here, and this exercise only just you have to make the name of them. Name the angles. What is the first angle? Two rays are there. Meet at which point? A. Which two rays? A, D, A, F. Okay. So what is the naming of this angle? First we show the symbol of angle D, A, F. Angle D, A, F. Also we can write angle F, A, D. Both are correct. Okay, no confusion between them. Both are correct, but vertex should be in the middle. Okay. And second diagram, two rays are meet at which point? B, that is a vertex. Ray A and C. Two rays B A and B C. Two rays are there meet at the same point. Which point? On B. That is a vertex. Okay. So first show the symbol of the angle. Now A, B, C. Angle A, B, C. Okay. Next question, third one. L, M, N. In this, once again show the symbol of angle L, M, N. L, M, N. Okay. Now the fourth one. How many angles are there in fourth one? Next question number fourth one. This type show the diagram in your book. P, Q, S and R. Okay. Now how many angles are? 1, 2 and 1 4 complete 3. How many angles are making in that figure? First angle PQR, second angle RQS and third angle PQS. How many angles are found in this figure? 3 angles. So one by one we write here. First angle PQR, angle PQR. Second angle RQS and third angle PQS. So how many angles are found in this figure? 3 angles. Which angles? Angle PQR, angle RQS, angle PQS. And next figure, figure number 5. M, O, N and P. Okay. In this figure, how many angles? One angle is this one, another one angle is this one, and one is the complete full angle. Okay, so how many angles? Once again, angle MOP. How many angle? Angle MOP, angle PON, angle MON. And this figure also formed the three angles. First angle MOP, second angle PON, and third angle MON. One full this angle. Okay, MON. Now last one question, question number 6. Two rays are, that point is S, and then V, C, T. Okay, we have to find out the number of angles in that figure. One angle is here, another one angle is here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's start the naming of the angles. Symbol of the angle, first angle is RSC, angle RSC. Second angle RST, third angle TSV, and fourth angle VSC, angle VSC. So how many angles are formed in that figure? 4 angles. I repeat the all angles. We can start from the any direction, no problem. मैंने यहाँ से start किया, but you also can start from the other direction, no problem. So first angle is angle RSC, second angle RST, third angle TSV, and last angle VSC. Okay, so they are the name of the angles. So here this exercise finished. Thank you.